How can one earn money with social media marketing? There's several ways, I think. First way is obviously become an influencer. You know, you can do product placements on your stuff. The thing is, a lot of people kind of fake being an influencer. One of the articles I read, I think it was a big company. I'm not trying to drop any names. 2 reasons is because privacy, and second reason is because I don't remember the name. But I'll link the article down there. What they did with this particular influencer is that they gave her, she was a fitness influencer, $20,000 to do product placements for a certain length of time for the campaign. The ROI for the company was only $2,000. So, you know, it begs to the question, like, how engaged and legit are those followers? Because it's so easy to buy bots followers and to make it look like you're influencer, and a lot more people are starting to sniff that out. If you're gonna go that route, the genuine way to build an actual following is gonna take a lot more time than buying followers. And being able to be a true influencer and do product placements just takes time. The second way is sell products, either if affiliate marketing or whatever product you have for yourself. You know, that's what you can do with the whole marketing end of social media. Like one of our clients, for his show in Vancouver, we spent about $9.18 and just for one of the ads, and in return we earned about $468 in ticket sales. So I think that second route is a lot faster to get results. But if you have a crap product, no amount of marketing is going to save a crap product. So I hope that helps.